Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about quadratic equations. As we have already discussed about quadratic equations, how to solve them and how can they be reduced to simpler form so that we can solve quadratic equations. Now we are going to discuss some other topics in this lecture 3. So we are going to discuss nature of roots of a quadratic equation with real coefficients. We know the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And by formula method, to find out the roots of quadratic equation, we have x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So our roots comes out to be minus b plus b square minus 4ac square root by 2a or minus b square minus 4ac square root by 2a. To find out the roots, nature of roots, there are three cases. We will find it out one by one. The first case is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then b square minus 4ac square root, which is also called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, is also real. So roots are real and unequal. Case 2. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So roots are real and equal. Case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then b square minus 4ac square root is imaginary. So roots are non-real complex and unequal. We have to note one thing, that given ABC belongs to real coefficients, nature of roots of an equation depends upon b square minus 4ac, which is called the discriminant of the equation. Here one thing should be kept in mind, that nature of roots depends not only on the sign of discriminant but also on the nature of coefficients. Let us make this point clear over here. Let us take an example to make this point clear. Consider the equation x square minus iota x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here discriminant will be minus iota square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. This is from the previous, as I just told you, minus b square minus 4ac formula. So discriminant comes out to be iota square plus 4, that is iota square value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3, which is positive. Solving this equation x square minus iota x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get by formula method x is equal to iota plus minus iota square plus 4 by 2 is equal to iota plus minus square root of 3 by 2, and the roots comes out to be 1 by 2 iota plus minus under root 3 by 2. From here we get one point clear, that roots of the given equation are non-real complex even though the discriminant is positive. The reason behind this contradiction is that the coefficient of x is imaginary and not real. So, in a quadratic equation with real coefficients, either no root is non-real complex or both are non-real complex. So now let's find it out how the nature of roots of the quadratic equation are, where a, b, c belongs to q and a is not equal to 0. If you just remember q, it is your rational or irrational numbers. The given equation is again ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and by formula method we have x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So roots are minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. There arises again three types of cases. First case, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then square root of b square minus 4ac is also real. Therefore, roots are real and different. Further, if discriminant b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then square root of b square minus 4ac is rational. Therefore, roots are real and different. Now, if discriminant is not a perfect square, then square root of b square minus 4ac is irrational. Therefore, roots are real, irrational and different. Now, case 2. if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real, rational, and each root is equal, and that is equal to minus b by 2a. Now case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then square root of b square minus 4ac is imaginary. This implies roots are non-real complex and Now without solving, discuss the nature of roots of the equation x minus 2a into x minus 2b is equal to 4ab. I'm just taking an example of some of the questions so that you get to know how you are going to solve your questions. This was just the prior information. I have already explained you how to find out with real coefficients and rational and irrational numbers. Now I'm going to discuss with you simply the questions so that you get an idea how to solve them out. Let's discuss this question first. We have the given equation as x minus 2a into x minus 2b is equal to 4ab. Solving this, we get x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 4ab is equal to 4ab. Or you can say x square minus 2 into a plus b, x is equal to 0. 4ab cut from both sides. Now the discriminant comes out to be minus 2 into a plus b whole square minus 4 into 1 into 0 is equal to 4a plus b whole square. Now, how to discriminant this? Positive, which is a non-negative and a perfect square. 4 is also a perfect square, and a plus b whole square automatically defines that it is a perfect square. So the roots are real, rational, and Now let's take an example. Show that the roots of the equation x minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c plus x minus c into x minus a is equal to 0 are real and cannot be equal unless a is equal to b is equal to c. If this condition is satisfied, what is the value of the root? Now we know the given equation is x minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c plus x minus c into x minus a is equal to 0. Or we can say x square minus ax minus bx plus ab plus x square minus bx minus cx plus bc plus x square minus cx minus ax plus ca is equal to 0. I have opened all the brackets by multiplying. Now let's discuss in detail. Or 3x square minus 2 into a plus b plus c x plus ab into plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Now the discriminant comes out to be minus 2 into a plus b plus c square in minus 4 into 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. Now this comes out to be 4 into a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 4 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Let's take 2 inside, and this comes out to be 2 into 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now we have segregated them into 3 brackets. 2 into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b square plus c square minus 2bc plus c square plus a square minus 2ca. This comes out to be 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is greater than or equal to 0. From here we get to know that b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So roots are real. Now roots will be equal if discriminant is equal to 0. That is, if 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equal to 0. That is, if a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equal to 0. That is, if a minus b is equal to 0, b minus c is equal to 0, or c minus a is equal to 0. That is, again, if a is equal to b is equal to c, or c is equal to a, that is if a is equal to b is equal to c. We are satisfied They cannot be equal unless A is equal to B is equal to C. If this condition is satisfied, what is the value of root? So now if when A is equal to B is equal to C, the given equation becomes, what does the given equation become? 3x square minus 6xa plus 3a square, or x square minus 2xa plus a square is equal to 0, or x minus a whole square is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to a or a. The values of roots are a or b or c.
So friends, now as we have already discussed the nature of roots and how to find out the nature of roots without proper solving them, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever our video is uploaded. So bye, take care and stay safe everywhere.